happening. It's coming. So they just told us that Elon will be right here. Don't stick your camera out because he's going to be right there. Keep making great videos, guys.
Yes, thank you. You too. Good to see you. We want to thank AP3 for supporting this channel. You guys might remember we had our Model X and our Model 3 wrapped, tinted, ceramic coated, and even chrome deleted, all by AP3. If you're ordering a Tesla in 2019, consider protecting your investment with AP3. There are coverage levels for all budgets. You can choose any wrap coverage from ap3atl.com and receive a $300 discount off ceramic coating for that same vehicle. All right, let's get back to it. Happy Y Day! So we are waiting for our friend Ben Solons from Teslanomics to pick us up. We are going to a big meetup with all kinds of Tesla influencers and people that want to talk Tesla before the big Model Y event. I'm just so pumped up right now. What up?
How are you?
Good.
Great to see you.
You got the Model 3.
I did.
She let you take it.
So glad you guys could be.
I'm so excited. Look at all this. I'm getting ideas. This might not be good. Hey, dude, what's up?
How are you? Hey!
Hey, how are you? It's nice to meet you.
I'm a big fan of this guy, Gally from Hyperchange.
Are you the man behind the camera?
This is
Oh wow! I
The husband. Yeah, you can't see his face.
He's the hired help. Are we video or are we picture?
We're doing both. Just like loved investing, and so decided to. I got super into Tesla like 10 years ago, maybe.
There's a picture of Elon
Smoking.
hotboxing the Model X. Only Tesla fans go to these legs.
Small one, German.
I feel like I need a camera.
35,000.
I can say, it's Heise Jim.
Do you guys know, do you know
Isaac
Kim?
Kim.
Hey, how are you?
All right, here comes trouble right here. Ben. Hey, how's it going? Good to finally meet you.
Meet you.
Okay, what's the secret? What's gonna happen? What's your prediction?
Can't tell
Other
you.
than the Y. Any expectations?
SNX update.
Okay, all right. How about you? What do you think?
I'm gonna say pickup truck.
That would be good, like a teaser or something,
I
like a
think-
picture.
No.
More info.
The Y is gonna roll off the back of the truck.
Yeah,
I'm
That
sticking
would be-
to it.
that would be good. I would go for that. I like Kim's perspective there.
So what do you think the big secret super duper thing is going to be?
I'm
What do you
saying
want it to be?
something with the S and X. We have Starman. He has arrived. How are you feeling? Are you hot in there? It's going to be a mad dash.
You're like, yeah, no.
It's like Tickle Me Elmo.
I'm just going for the bar. I just want to know where the drinks are. That's all I care about.
Come in this way. They're coming in. You guys.
Hopefully they come out of here. Whenever there's a teleprompter, you know it's a good sign.
And I am sold.
Yeah.
How heavy
You
is
got to
that?
sell Dan on it because Dan. Yeah.
The thing I don't.
ideal.
This is the Peter McKinnon setup.
You must
right?
have like some muscles. But
No, I'm
I don't
wobbling.
think I can do
I'm
that.
wobbling.
Oh, so many memes on that.
I think I've never seen so many cameras in my entire life. We are bringing sexy back quite literally.
So even though the Model Y looks near identical to its Model 3 sibling, it has some significant differences that make Tesla believe that the Y will outsell the S, X, and 3 combined within the next few years. First, the Y allows for more than 4 times the cargo capacity than the Model 3. Second, it offers a third row, but honestly, from what I could tell, it is best suited for small kids. But it will also be a hatchback, and yes, Elon confirmed it will offer a power liftgate. And one of its coolest features has to be the panoramic glass roof, without a cross beam above, so you'll have those full sky views. Lastly, did anyone catch that hidden Tesla pickup that flashed across the screen during Elon's presentation? What do you guys think we're even looking at there? This is crazy!
Good to see you, BJ. Keep making great videos, guys.
Yeah, thank you. You too. We have Franz here. The wine is definitely helping my courage.
You sense the agility there, making the U-turn. Then I'll do a little bit of a slalom here. Nothing too crazy. Just gives you a sense of how flat the car is.
Okay, just shut up and take my money. So, of course, we had to check out the V3 supercharging. They look pretty much like the regular superchargers, but as you can see, the cables are a lot thinner. Let's see if I can get this out. You guys can get like the full view here. It's a lot thinner. They're supposedly liquid cooled, so that probably has something to do with it. But I am excited to check these out at some point. I definitely think that it is a car that needed to be made. I think it fills a gap in the marketplace. Are we rolling? All right, I'm here with Ben. You guys know who he is.
What's up?
No introductions needed. So what are your thoughts?
Loved it. It's gonna sell more than the Model 3, and I ordered one for Jenny, so we're good.
Does she know that you've ordered it yet?
I sent her, yeah.
It's a surprise. No,
Yep.
she knows.
And then she was like, "You didn't let me pick what color." And I said, "I chose black because it wasn't an extra cost, and you like cheap
course.
things, even though we're the most expensive one." So no,
So,
it's good.
but you could put a wrap on it and have
Yeah,
some fun.
black is the right color because if you want to do anything extra to it, you get black.
Or you get white because white
I like
really
white.
is the best color.
No, but
What
see,
about interior? What did you do for interior?
there weren't interior.
Was there options? Yeah.
Yeah,
So
well,
I haven't even had a
7
chance to go online yet.
It was a
at this point.
7-seater option or not. That was the only
That is
interior
it?
option. Yeah.
So is it black on the
Think
inside,
so.
or was it? Okay.
Didn't the one have white in it? I don't remember.
But everything was chrome deleted. Was that on the website?
Yeah, everything
That
looked
is-
Chrome deleted. That might not be. They're putting Chrome delete businesses out of business.
I thought that was kind of cool. I was curious. So I haven't even had a moment yet. We've been so busy. I'm losing my voice to even go on the website and check it out.
It took 3 tries because they kept crashing every time.
Okay.
Yeah. So finally got it.
Ben will probably be the first to make all the Model Y videos.
I got the performance one.
Maybe
so
we'll
see.
make a trip to San Diego so we can
Come
make
out.
some videos
Now,
with you.
the deal is that it solves all the problems that Jenny had
Yeah.
with the Model 3.
Yeah.
It didn't have the power lift gate. It didn't have a hatchback. And it sat super low.
Yeah.
So, it's exactly what I think is going to fit her. It's still small, though, It's not like a big...
Were you surprised by the handles?
No.
Me neither. I actually, that's what I was
Did people think
thinking.
they would be...
They thought they would be different. I might have spread that rumor, but
It's your fault, then.
It's probably my fault. But then, the more I thought about it and the issues that they've had, they just needed a car they could make quickly,
No,
not
I
have
mean,
issues, get it out there. And this was the car that I think they needed to make.
Yeah,
So,
I think
that
we got what we expected.
Yeah.
It was a kind of bigger hatchback version of the Model 3.
for sure.
The
for sure.
third row seat, the 7-seater, that was a weird...
That is going to be a tight fit for a human being, an adult-sized human being.
Yeah,
to fit
like,
into.
But
fold it down with a dog. That's
yeah.
your car.
We can camp in it, right?
Oh yeah,
Like in the Model X, you can't unless you have the
So does the
5-seater.
second row fold flat?
Yes.
I didn't see that. You did see that. Okay.
I didn't see it. I feel like I was talking to someone that had talked to Franz and asked 1,000 questions, and they said yes. That would make sense.
Yeah.
But I guess we'll have to see it to confirm. So.
Yeah. So. By the time you guys are watching this, you'll probably know all the answers.
Someone's got it on Reddit
You tell
already.
us in the comments below. Does the second row fold flat?
It better. If not, I'm sending it back.
Well, they have an excellent return policy.
Sure. Yeah.
Maybe we should just actually order one, make some videos and return.
This is what the return policy is like.
Exactly. Well, we'll still tell you guys. All right. Till next time.